subscribe.
Tawa ko. Okay, ayan po, hello po. Hi guys! Hi, teens! Sure ako na puro kayo ang manonood nito. Nakaayos tayo ngayon para sa premiere ng mood film ni Ken. Tsaka ako sa mga excited sa ilalabas niya na MV na entitled Palayo. So go subscribe to his channel. Pero for sure naman nakafollow na kayo sa kanya. So dahil dyan, ako po ay i-follow ninyo at i-subscribe. Nasa baba po subscribe button or nandito lang din, yung bilog dyan. Yung ano ko dyan, Rapple logo ko dyan. Pag hilig nyo pa, di kayo mag-subscribe. Yeah, for more videos. It's currently 1 minute. Pero mag-premiere siya, ang bilis ng time. Kanina pa ako tumatambay sa Spaces. Spaces. Tama, Spaces. Spaces ako kanina. Tapos tumambay din ako dito sa live chat. Currently, hindi nyo makita. Pero nasa 2007 po yung mga nakaabang. Long hair tayo today kasi wala lang, haba hair. Po, nakita nyo po, hawak po ako ni Ken Susan. Charot lang. Porket Rose. Ipilit natin yung joke na yan. Nakaabang rin ako. Fun yarn. Wait! Stop! Ay na po! May malapit na. Countdown na pa! Wait. Don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Bye. Here we go! Yan, 20 seconds. Nakahabol lang ka sa Brini. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. A high quality version of the song. I cannot wait. Wow! Sorry, Cleopatra! Cleo Philip is here. Sorry. Palayo. Akala ko tapos na. Hayop kayo. Yan, nalaglag ang rosas. That's me right now. Yun lang. May video unavailable. Yung next teaser na yun, no? Yun lang. Mga bakla. Yun lang yung hinintay natin ng matagal. Pero, serbisyo publiko.
Yes, okay, show me. Look video. Sige, i-look na natin yan.
Bakit? Bakla, pag dinigest natin to, mga ultimate biases natin. Mga ultimate biases natin. Bias ko. Hindi tayo sure. I mean, sasabihin ko lang, kakalabas lang ni Lisa ng kanya. And hindi ba to similar? I mean, imposible naman. Pero I mean, the aesthetic, girl, can you see this part? Yes, Ken. Favorite ko tong look niya. Oh my God, B, iPhone, do justice. Oh my god, ang gwapo niya dito. This is my ultimate favorite look for him. At wow, ang dilim ko. Wow, super bright naman. Ito yung look na gusto ko sa kanya nung concert din. Breathtaking. Wait. And etong last one na to, it reminds me of, yun nga sinabi ko kanina, Cleopatra, and then parang mga Egyptian style or bukod sa Egyptian style. Alam niyo ba? Yung suot niya na yan. Dapat for, I think, hindi ba? Alam ko, dati nakita ko na to kay Lamarck. Alam ko dapat for what or some shoot or kung ano mang performance video, isusuot na yan. Pero I guess dito siya nasuot. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wait lang. Ang tangos talaga ng ilong ng bata ko. Yes. Oh, ala, alam mo, this area feels it reminds me of yung kung saan kami nag-shoot nung ikalawang yugto. Yung sa may ano yun eh, I was gonna say Bicol, hindi Bicol. Basta letter B yun. Kung nasan yung Las Casas, dun sa area na yun. Pero eto, wow. Wow, it kinda reminds me of Kalungto. Sabi ko sa inyo, malalaglag ang rosas eh. Opo, okay po. Noted po. Yes! That's it. That's my reaction for the Mood film. Short but sweet, pero ang daming hanash. So, excited ako makita iba pang mga teasers. And of course, ang paglapag ng music video, as in, sobra. Can't wait to see it. And I can't wait to see what's in store. Oh my God, like, how is going to be the dance highlighted, yung pinaka-highlight na choreo part, yung nagpapa-flooring ang ating Ken Suson. We're gonna see that too. So, yeah, that's it. That's the reaction video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Kahit short and sweet and madaldal si Ate Rose. This has been Rose, aka Raffle. See you on my next video, 18! Mwah!
Makes you feel so nice. Stuck in the desert. You're the time when I take when my head hurts. In my life, I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. Even if it's a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. If you love it, would you say something? If you love it, would you? If you love it, would you say something? If you love it, would you? Love it, would you? If you love it, would you say something? If you love it, would you?